about to eat breakfast, pack our shit, and then leave. James, you want an apple? Because I won't eat it.
Como seis se quedaron.
Okay. I'll just throw some soda. I don't know. Anyways, for breakfast we have some syrup that looks like fucking heroin. And then we have pancakes. If I can open a pancakes. Nice and hot. And then there was apples and coffee, and hard-boiled eggs. And I didn't want any of those, so I didn't get them. Honestly, these pancakes, kinda gas. Just finished breakfast, and now we're headed back to the beginning of the shit. I think it's like a 2.5 hour trek down, but it's all downhill, which is nice. Dog's been following us since we left base camp. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing, but had he been here yesterday, or with us yesterday, he would have got all my food, because I didn't eat a single thing of it. But we are cooking down this road, down this mountain. It's insane. It's actually ridiculous how much dust there is on this hike. Holy shit. Look at this.
We did it! Woo! Yay! Well
That's right.
Look how Teddy you are. So ready. We did it! We did it!
High fives all around. High fives all around.
Woo!
Oh, I'm so tired.
Yeah. Right now. What do we do?
Yeah.
Like, where do we go now?
Fucking suck. Dude, it was black sand. Oh yeah, that makes sense though. It's disgusting. Bro, wait, show it again? Dude, there's your sock. Disgusting.
Oh my god, there's more.
What the fuck is this?
There's another layer of rocks. Yeah, these shoes are done.
Yeah.
Like Corona.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Hold it like you.
Wait, fair.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Stop.
It's so tiny.
That's nice.
Cheers.
Can you open this one for a sec? Oh yeah.
Gotcha, King.
Can you
Open for a second.
Hey, mate. Maybe it's all two. It's all foam.
Yeah, sorry, I was like,
Cheers!
what the fuck is going everywhere?
Man, we just said bye to everyone. It's kind of sad. They're so cool. Such cool people. We just got dropped off, and now we're hauling ass to my papaya because, well, I am hauling ass. I cannot wait to shower. That's an understatement. I feel so disgusting. I mean, look at this. My hands are fucking gross. Fucking hell. We got back from the volcano. And once we all got done showering or whatever, now we're at this restaurant. Puerta Once Antigua. And I think we're all just gonna get burgers because it's the most unhealthy food possible that you could eat after a hike. So.
La hamburguesa, ¿tienes papas fritas? La hamburguesa, ¿tienes papas fritas?
Sí.
Yeah, they come up right.
Damn, he's fluent.
You get two. You get two burgers. You don't like it one. You get one. So we don't pay as much. You know what I'm saying?
I don't want to pay this much.
You want two burgers?
I feel like 2 burgers.
You're gonna eat 2 burgers?
You want to share?
No,
You can also
it's not
share.
sharing. It's like you get two meals for the price of one.
Yeah.
And they come with fries. Alright, got it.
Alright, I will take the 11 burgers.
I'm gonna get the written burger.
Why not?
You didn't surf and turf too?
You get surf and turf? Yeah. Fuck, that does look good too, doesn't it? These burgers have tops on it or what? It's got
What?
no tops. Yeah, they got no tops.
That's
on
extra.
it.
Laura joined us. You took it? That's soup. Pretty neat. Chris also bought 2 hamburgers.
Me too.
James and I are sharing, or splitting 2 for 1. Mitch and Laura are splitting 2 for 1, and Chris is just doing 2 burgers himself. I don't know.
That looks good, man. That looks good.
Christian with his dude.
Stingy on your chips, bro.
Yeah.
What's that?
You
You cut it up like that.
You ever seen that before?
That's actually insane. What the fuck? Back at the hostel now. Christian did not eat both of his burgers, so he took one of them home. This is really funny. We're really tired, so now I'm gonna go to bed. And then I think after that, once me and James finish napping, we'll hit the market, buy some shorts or some pants, shirts, and then figure out what to do after that. We leave at 10 o'clock tonight. So, not much to do besides BSing around the city. James and I got done napping, and now we are going to look for shirts and shorts from the artisan market. So we went to the store, or we went to the market, got some bracelets, me and James. Got a shirt for myself because I'm still trying to redo my wardrobe because I haven't had it changed since high school. And then I got one of my friends dark chocolate, or we got one of our friends dark chocolate. And that was our haul. And now we're at McDonald's. And apparently it's supposed to be super sick. And yeah. It's massive. There's a fucking park. There's a park in the McDonald's. You do not see that in the US. Are you gonna say with the clown?
Because I'm a clown? Yes, sir.
There you have it. I'm gonna hold the bag. I'm gonna go find a spot in the park. This might be the coolest McDonald's I've stepped foot in. Oh, there's a huge M over there. How cool is that? Fucking seesaw. M with swings. It's like a stage, I guess. So cool. This is up there with the Porto McDonald's. Yes, sir. It's fucking insane. So, James and I leave at like 10:30 from Antigua to catch a flight for tomorrow morning. I think the plan is to go back to the hostel after we eat, maybe watch the basketball games, try to catch a nap. I'm gonna shower again because I feel disgusting still. But we got an early morning tomorrow, so with that, it's been a great day. But that's it for now. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on?